This is lecture 7 of basic HFSS tutorial series. In this lecture we will draw a model, for example in a patch antenna. What are the steps that needed to complete a simple model? First of all, on top of that there will be a patch, and downside of patch there will be a substrate, and at the bottom there will be a ground. And all these three models will be covered in a radiation box. First of all, save the project. Just go into a file and save it, and after that set the solution type whatever for which you are working, and after that check out the unit, select that, press an OK. First I will draw in a ground, because ground will be lie on a bottom side of the model, and ground is always 2D object. Here it is in a rectangle. I am just drawing a random model 5x5. On the top of that there will be a substrate, and substrate is always 3D object in a box. Just rotate it and you can see that the ground lies on bottom side, and top of ground there will be a substrate, and the top of substrate there will be a radiating patch. Patch is also in a 2D object. By rotating it, you can see that in this diagram the substrate is patches at a down position. First of all, we will check the height of substrate is 1. So substrate will be at starting position at z-axis will be at 1. And here it is. Here you can see that the blue color we have in a ground, and green color is a patch, and pink color is a substrate, and there will be a feeding line Now we will assign materials. And ground and pitch most of the time are perfect E. Perfect E means they are perfect conductor. And similarly we will assign a material to the material. And after that we will assign radiating field. The field can be a different type, an edge field and coaxial edge field, will be a line feeding, and many different kinds of feeding methods we will discuss when we design in a proper page antenna. We will discuss all different techniques and all different techniques of feeding method. And this was the just a simple practice of designing a simple model. After this we will cover this model in a radiation box. Here you can change the properties of starting position from -2, similarly -2 and -2. And just press on OK. Here you can see that our model is inside of this radiation box in all 4 sides, from top and bottom also. In this radiation box we will assign material as, we will assign a boundary as radiation. From here you can check perfect E, both ground and pitch, and there will be radiation to a radiation box. In coming lecture we will see how to give an excitation to a different port, lump port and wave port, and similarly analysis, and finally we will see how to check a validation check, and after that we will analyze. After doing few lecture we will make a complete model of an antenna.